Hi, Andrew Orozco from Orozco's Auto Service. Our engine protection plan's purpose is to give our customers a peace of mind. We are the only ones who protect your engines up to $4,000 when we change the oil of your vehicle. Our engine protection plan is free and real. All you have to do is bring your vehicles to us every 5,000 miles and no later than 6,000 miles to stay in our engine protection plan. It's as simple as thinking Orozco's Auto Service when your vehicle needs an oil change. For more information, go to orozcoautoservice.com.